Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi and in today's video I will be coloring and fixing this. Now, since it's a hair color video, let me first show you what my hair color currently actually looks like. In these lights, it's very hard to tell, okay? So if I step out in the sunlight, this is how my hair is looking. It's just like this weird burnt ashy color. I don't even know what to call this color, and that's my natural hair color. Lucky me, that's how my hair naturally looks. So today I'll be coloring my hair and the shade which I've picked up is black. I love jet black hair, guys. You know, I feel like, it just looks so edgy and so much fun. It goes with all colored outfits. It's just the mood that I am in, you know. It's fun to switch your hair colors from time to time. So right now I'm in the black hair color mood. Alright. So guys, I'll be coloring my hair at home and this is what I'll be using to color my hair. I have actually reviewed the BBlunt hair color in the past, but in case you haven't seen my previous video, I've actually used so many shades from this range, you know, cherry, mahogany, dark brown, so many shades. Today I'm using black, so let me just show this to you up close, okay? So this is the BBlunt Salon Secret High Shine Creme hair color, and the shade which I've picked up is one natural black, and I can't wait to color my hair with this because, like I told you, I'm very excited about, you know, getting jet black hair and having that look. So guys, in case you're wondering, yes, it doesn't contain any ammonia. It's very, very safe. It makes your hair so shiny, you know. It gives you that salon-like hair shine, salon-like hair shine at home. And here's what you get in a single pack of the BBlunt Salon Secret High Shine Creme hair color. There are these gloves and also an instruction manual. And then of course, the developer, the colorant, and the shine tonic. Now the shine tonic is an extra special thing, and I feel like this is what has been missing in your home hair coloring kits for the longest time. You know, this just adds that extra edge by locking in the moisture of your hair, okay, locking in the moisture, and it also protects your hair really well. It contains silk protein that makes your hair elastic, dazzling, and totally awesome. Also guys, if you're using this color for the first time, do a patch test. How do you do a patch test? Just take a bit of the product and apply it at the back of your ears, okay? And observe your skin for 48 hours before getting started. So I'm going to start by applying some petroleum jelly. You can also use oil or creams on your skin to prevent pigmentation from possible color bleeding. Then putting on my gloves. Since I'm coloring my entire hair, I'm going to empty the contents of all of these 3 tubes marked colorant, developer, and shine tonic into a non-metallic bowl. Let me repeat guys, non-metallic bowl. This is very, very important. And once I'm done mixing, immediately after that, I'm going to apply this on my roots and through the lengths of my hair. Once I'm done with the application, I'm going to leave it on for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I'll just emulsify it with water for about 5 minutes. Then rinsing it all off and shampooing and conditioning my hair, and that's it. And time for the moment of truth, guys. Here it is. Here is my hair transformation. Do you see? This is so amazing, right? Just imagine, like just a while ago, I was looking like a completely different person, and now I look and feel like a completely different person because hair color, I think, is such an important part of, you know, how you look and how you feel about your style. Now, here's the thing, like I told you, with this hair color, it's not just about coloring your hair, but also adding that dazzling shine. So let me show this to you up close. This is how my hair is looking up close, guys. It's shiny, silky, smooth. It's looking so amazing. It also feels nice, like it feels soft and silky and just like really nice, you know. And this entire transformation, even though it looks professional, even though it looks like you actually went to the salon to get it all done, I've actually done this at home, and the process is super easy, right? You just have to squeeze all the tubes in one non-metallic bowl and apply it. Of course, wear your gloves and everything which we discussed, but if you really look at it, there aren't too many steps and there isn't really that much to be done. It's very, very simple to follow, and to get this result is brilliant. So how long does this last? Well, it lasts for about 8 weeks for me. It depends on how often you wash your hair, so that's also there, but about 8 weeks on average is what you can consider. And where can you get this hair color? Good question. The BBlunt Salon Secret hair color, by the way, this is available in various shades, okay? So you can check them out on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Myntra. You can get it on all of these websites, but if you ask me, I prefer getting it from BBlunt.com. okay, that's the official website, BBlunt.com. I will put the link in the description box below as well. Why do I prefer BBlunt.com? Because you can use this coupon code SWS15 for flat 15% off. So you can pick and choose what you want to do, but if you want to color your hair, I think this can be such a great option to try out. And by the way, in case you're wondering, I just realized I haven't answered this question. Yes, of course, it can be used for gray hair coverage as well. Okay, and this color can also be used for root touch-ups. So if you want to do root touch-ups, where is it got? Okay, things are all over the place now. If you want to do root touch-up, there are some instructions in the instruction manual as to how much quantity of which you need to mix, and you'll find all the answers over here. So you can do gray coverage, root touch-up, and all that also using this hair color. So yes, that's what I wanted to share with you all. Sorry guys, I just can't stop looking at my hair and touching my hair because it's like super soft and awesome. I'm loving my new look. Okay, so guys, I think I've answered all the questions and also shared a really fun video. You enjoyed this video, let's be honest. So since you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. If you still have any questions, please share your questions with me in the comment section below. If you have ever used this hair color before, let me know in the comment section how your experience has been. And while you're sharing all of that, okay, I already said subscribe and like, right? So I'll not repeat that, but I just repeated that. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye.